Alright, which one of y'all killed the I love you bird? I don't know, this was the I love you bird spot. Did you do it? Are you guilty of killing the I love you bird?
Let it sit there in your hand, kind of wrap your tongue through these, and you just have to move around
Mm-hmm. Oh. I got you pictures. I can send them to you.
yeah, you can move it through it. Very soft,
What you up to, dude? You a snake. You got no hands. He's a tree hugger. I've heard about those things. One of the tree huggers. He probably just swallowed a cow and he's ready to go to bed.
He swallowed a cow. Oh, you just sleeping?
Yeah, and he's yellow like your present there, kind of like orange, and he sleeps. They got two things in common.
I thought Joe was the sleepy one.
Oh, good. Well, he's trying to surpass him. He wants to beat him. Yeah. So waving at people though, what y'all doing? Oh. Because he's in love.
What the heck is with it? What is with this guy? Why does he have anime eyes, bro? What the hell?
Oh, he ate an old buffalo skull. That's how dangerous he is.
Oh my god.
You ate a whole buffalo skull all to yourself.
You didn't eat the buffalo skull. You only ate the
Just the
skin.
meat off of it, yeah. He's so cuddly and fuzzy.
Aw, that was cute.
Hey. He's a suction cup. He's like those things you put in your windows as a baby on board.
Nice colors.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you thought it was interesting that like makes things have like a pattern to them.
Yeah.
Like
What about this guy? You got a pattern to you? You got a teeny face that the Ripley's put your head in cement, or they do it put in quicksand and shrink it. Don't you look like a shrunken head?
Bro, that's racist. Don't say that. That's racist. You're not canceled. That's all. Oh my god.
Fight.
These guys have drama, bro. These are like the most over dramatic like reptiles I've ever seen.
He look like your friend. Is that your friend that you were holding over there?
Yeah, he just put him back.
He recognizes you? Hey. He's like, I want back out. You could use him and unclog your toilet.
Like, totally caught my attention.
Hey. You're birding. Where you going? The little dude's back there, but he's bigger. The otter have the otter shut there. Are you a tree kangaroo mouse? He's at the picnic table, man. Y'all fast. Y'all can climb that one fast, can't you?
Hello.
That was a jump scare, man. Doing the picnic table again. Oh no, they're both having lunch at the picnic table. There's a dude under the picnic table.
Oh my gosh, what a pervert.
Get a photo of me, I'm posing.
Oh, really? Oh, his friend's sassy too. He has like his friends like turning away from you all sassy and he's like looking towards you.
They got.
Why are there seats specifically for watching the sloth?
They do a little show. You think they're making more of them?
It's not as good as the phone I have now. I don't think it's like Apple.
Maybe the monkeys eat turtles. Y'all come down here, or maybe the turtles eat the monkeys.
Yeah,
Which one is it, dude?
They're really trying to hide from the turtles up there. Maybe the monkeys are just up there because they're not hungry for food.
Yeah.
Hey, Junior.
I love his hairdo, though. You see his hairdo? Who does your hair, man?
Oh, that's crazy, man.
Yeah.
Hold on. Looks like they're like dark soul.
Who does your hair, man? He looks like a troll.
It's like,
Alright, he comes down, you give him some more. You go right back up there. He likes to eat alone.
no. Oh, hello.
Her name's Rose.
Okay, that's nice.
Thank you.
Look
That's cool.
at that. That's interesting. I kind of like so.
Naturally do that, like now on purpose, you know? Look at little blue falls. Look at them.
If I could do like save states in real life and just reload, I might would like do that just to reload.
These guys, they're pretty. Oh, yellow ones.
Look at that.
They're having a meeting. I think they got the tops in charge.
They can't let you touch those ones or you'll die immediately. Like different colors. You can like choose what color you want to die from.
He's like just like Bumblebee from like Transformers. It's Bumblebee Frog.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You're like one of those frogs that eat puppy dogs and stuff.
What?
Like a poodle comes up to it and sniffs it and eats the whole poodle. No, they do eat big stuff. Not little puppy dog. They're probably one of those monkeys over there for sure. You want a monkey? You want me to go get you one for dinner? They can eat stuff bigger than them. What bird do you think this is? It's an ostrich.
It's a giraffe.
It's a giraffe bird? I never heard of a giraffe bird.
I'm gonna feed the one on the rock.
The one on the rock.
Oh yeah, get it. Yeah, you get one.
Hey,
you get
you're
one.
cute.
Yeah, you get one. Yay. Yo. Ah.
Uh-oh, someone's calling their mama. Did you hear that? Mama.
You get one. I was trying to give you one.
Oh.
Come on, you blue eyes.
Uh-oh.
No, you idiot.
Name calling. How dare you?
You eat the one that one dropped. And you eat this one. Here, you can have this one. Here, fine. Here, you can have this one. Here, this one's special, so I'll give it to you. It's special. Here, this one's extra special. I'll give it to you. What about you, blue eyes? Who's your good boy? Who's your good boy? Who's your good boy? Don't get my jacket because they won't give you more food. Here, I'm gonna pet you instead of giving you food as punishment. Haha, get petted on, idiot.
He's like, damn horns. He's trying to get away from me. He's done being petted.
Like, you're trapped. I'm gonna pet you forever. No, he escaped. I'm gonna pet you forever. You can never escape the pet. You can't escape it. You can't escape the petting. You can't escape. He's trying to knock off my bracelet so they'll kick me out. Hey, look, this one has 2 heads, see?
You called him Hitler for a second.
He is the famous 2-headed goat.
Yeah. Oh, he got his horns through because I'm going to eat your jacket. That's it. Say, I just want food. I don't need love.
Do you want one? Too bad I'm giving it to
Oh, that's horrible.
Ah, you want one? Do you want it? Too bad. Too bad I'm giving it to this one.
You're mean.
Here, you want? Oh, you want one? Oh, too bad I'm giving it to this one.
Okay, next one has to really be his. That's mean.
He's like, he's mad now. Oh my god.
Well, you should be mad. You're evil.
I'm rage baiting a goat.
Oh, no, don't. You're evil. I'm going to give him my whole bag if you don't. I was going to let you feed him some of my bag, but I'm just going to give him my...
Get it! Get it! Come on!
He said, I didn't see it. Try again. I didn't see that one. Try again.
Get it! Get it!
Oh, my God.
Oh, my God! That would have attacked him.
I know. He bumped the heck out of him.
Oh, my God.
That was a head-on collision right there.
You want it? You go get it! Go get it! Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Because I ain't playing your games.
Ostrich! Ostrich!
You know your name? That's your name? So you sound like a journalist, like he's a celebrity. Ostrich, ostrich, here, come here.
Ostrich, come here, ostrich. Ostrich, look, I'll feed you.
Is it true that you slept with Trump? Ostrich.
No, he's way too good for Trump. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Who's your good boy? Who's your good boy?
Oh, look, they do a dance. They go in circles. Say, we're ready.
Okay, I'm going to put one right on the 16. You got to have a race for it. Hey, you're cheating. Okay. Hey, race for it. Oh, it fell. Oh, no. Oh, race for it. Oh, look, it's right here. It's right here. Go get it. Oh, it's right here. Go get it. Oh, it's right here. You gotta race for it.
dropped a piece. You're pretty. I like your little ears folded back. It's cute. You checking for me? I got some in my pocket. Can I pet you, or you just want food? Aw, hey, you're pretty cute. Bye.
I'll give you another one.
I swear they look like muffins to me. Like it's like a puppeteer has his arm in there.
It bites your hand when you get it down.
Look at
It feels so weird that it like bites your hand.
Have you resisted that? So you got one brown eye, one white eye.
Oh my god! I didn't even see that. That's crazy.
You got one brown eye, one white eye.
Oh, you're a blue-skinned ostrich. You got pretty blue skin. This guy. Oh my god, you're fighting over it. Oh my god, they're like viciously fighting each other for the kibble. Oh my god.
Don't.
Oh, look at him, he's insane.
He's trying to be one step ahead.
He's just the one he likes. Yeah, you can have the one he likes.
Aw, I eat the one you lick.
Yeah, I'll give him that one. Oh wait, I'll let you lick one and then give it to him. Here you go. Okay, here, now you lick this one and I'll give it to him. Okay, you lick this one and I'll give it to the ostrich. Here you go. Here, you lick this one and I'll give it to him. You lick this one and I'll give it to him. You're aggressive, man. Here, you can lick this one and I'll give it to him. You can lick this one. You can lick this one and I'll give it to you. Here you go. Here, you lick it to like warm it up for the baby. Here, you lick that one. You can have this one. You can lick this one. I'll let him lick this one. Okay, no, you can lick this one. I'll lick it. You can lick this one. Here, you want to lick one for the baby? Okay, you can lick this one for the baby. Yeah, I'll let the baby one for you. Yeah, you lick this one. Thank you for looking at others. Okay, now you look this one for him since he looks at him. You look this one for him. You want to look this? Okay. You want to look this? You can look this. Okay, I'll let him look this. I don't think the ostrich would be able to. No, it's gonna be that one. You can look at that one. That one was like you were eating my finger. You were like eating my finger when I was eating the baby. That's really weird. Here, I'll make you lick one for the baby as well. this one, and you can have it.